Hi friends, welcome to the fifth tutorial about AG Grid React. In this tutorial, we are going to check about how to create a custom filter. If you are not subscribed to the channel, please take a moment to subscribe and it will be a great support to me. I am continuing from the last tutorial. So we have already learned many things about AG Grid React. I am just showing you how currently the app looks like. In the last episode we studied about the theming, so currently it is themed, so currently I am going to remove this theming because it will be better to remove it for a good demo. I am applying the default theme codes. Okay, just saving it. Okay, now it is changed. Now we can see each column correctly, and so we can further study about it. Okay, currently the all column have filters. Currently I am going to create a custom filter for this column, sex column. Okay, now the filter is it is displaying the default filter contains equals. Okay, so first we can check about how the current code looks like. It is importing some modules. Last checked about the themes, color schemes. Okay, then the data is in a variable. We are setting the raw data, then the column definitions, first name, last name, filter options, cell renderer, greeting. The greeting cell renderer is here. This column, greeting column, this is a cell renderer. It is using a cell renderer. Okay, applied the filter buttons, filter all columns, filter true, filter params, buttons applied, then floating filter true, then width is 300. I think we can reduce the width to something less, so it will be easier. I'm changing it to 100. So okay, 100 is very less. You can change it to 150. Okay, so the greeting column is on right side because it is pinned there. The greeting column is pinned there. You can see that the greeting column is pinned. We may change it to 200, so it will look nice. Okay, so currently we are going to check about custom filter. So I'm going to create a new custom filter. In the components folder I am going to create a new file for the custom filter, just naming it as custom filter.js. okay, const custom filters, export default custom filter, just return, currently just returning anything, return sample test. Okay, I'm just returning div, div component. Now I am going to change the filter of the sex field. Currently it is displaying the filter of default filter. Okay, now I am going to use the custom filter. It is not a filter, it is just a dummy test now. Filter to custom filter. Okay, now it is included here. You can see that custom filter is included. Okay, now just running it. Okay, currently it is displaying the test, sample test. Okay, now we are going to create the filter here. Now we can check that default, when we creating a filter, it is passing some data to the filter. So if we just try to just consoling the p console.log. We can check what all values it is displaying, it is passing there. You can see that it is passing an object. It is consists of API, buttons, column definition, columns, many values there. Okay, we are using only rare values, some values here. We are using the model on model change and get value. Currently you can check all these values, and currently we are using only 3 values: model, get value, and on model change. So I am adding it here, extracting it here. Model, on model change, then get value. Okay, we are only using these values. Okay, now we are going to display input field. Input type equal to text, then value equal to, the model is the value we are passing to the filter, like what value we are typing, that is model. If there is model, we are displaying it, otherwise we displaying an empty text. So since model is present, it will display model, and otherwise it will display an empty text. Then we have to call the on change. We need to call a function handle change function. Okay, I think that is enough for now. Then we have to create the handle change function. Handle change equal to just checking what this value is coming. Okay, let's check console.log e dot target dot value. Okay, just check what it is currently looks like. Maybe an error. Just refreshing. Okay, this Okay, it is coming in the text box. Just typing it. Okay, it is displaying the thing fs. When I typing, each character is displayed there. Okay, now we need to set this model with this value. Okay, we are setting it like on model change equal to on model change e dot target dot value. Just removing it. Okay, now just check what it looks like. It is making errors. Anyway, it is coming here etching and hello. We have to add some more properties there. Okay, it is setting the model change. Now we have we need another function like does filter pass. Does filter pass equal to now just checking what it looks like. Okay, there is another thing like use grid filter. That's the default one. This thing we need this to register this does filter pass. Okay, to the grid. Now we may check now what the p contains. Console log p. We need to return a true here because just to pass this filter condition. Currently it will pass all filter like any value. It just returns true. Just going to print the p on the console and what it. Let's check what it is. Okay. Okay, I have typed MA and it is displayed this data. I'm just checking what it is in the P. There is a data and a node. Okay, data is the raw data. Raw data is changing. So for each row it returns a data and a node. Okay, node has many functions. Okay, there is many functions in the node. So we have data and node here. Okay, now we just need to return true if the data dot sex equal to model. Model is the value we are typing. Okay, if data dot sex double equal to model, it will return true. It will pass the filter. Okay, now we can check what happened. We just refreshing and again checking. Here is male and female. Just typing male ALE. Okay, when we completed the typing male, it displayed the male only. Okay, now if we pass female, it is displaying the female. Okay, so there is an issue like when we removing the text, it is not clearing the filter. So we have to change something. On model change, we need to do some modification like let value is equal to e dot target dot value. if value, if there is value, we are passing the value, otherwise passing null. We have to set value to null for clearing the filter. Okay, now you can see that when clearing the text it will remove the active filter icon. Mail. Okay, now I am just removing it, and you can see the filter, the blue dot in the filter removed. So currently the filter is working fine. Okay, then you see that for others, if we type greater than 20 and apply, it will come here. For our custom filter it is not coming there. We type mail, okay, mail, it is not coming here. So there is an additional function for this. I'll show you what it is. We can another function like constant get model as string, get model as string equal to return model. This is the default function we have to register here. Get model as string. Okay. Now you can see that the mail is coming here. Okay. Just refreshing it, and we typing here. And typing each character, it is coming there. Okay. You can see that it is coming here. Okay, now we need to display style like we have to clear and apply button. Okay, currently it is just displaying a mail, a text box. We need to add some styling, and we need to pass the buttons there, create 2 buttons there. So I am just copying. We have to do some modifications here for it, and let me show it in another video, next video. Okay, thank you for watching, and if you like, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.